Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a save button to the wallpaper screen. So here's our wallpaper screen, and just top right I want to add a new button. So in the wallpaper view controller, in the init where we're setting the title, we'll also set the navigation item dot right bar button item. Now we're going to use a custom image here to make it really obvious that this is a wallpaper saving button rather than a generic button. But we'll need to add that image to the app. So here's some images I made earlier. Right, you'll notice that there's the 2x and 3x, but no non-retina version. This is because it's an iPhone app and there's no non-retina iPhones anymore as of iOS 7. Right, so that's our extra button. Now let's implement what will happen when they tap it. Now, since iOS doesn't give the user a direct way of adding a wallpaper, we're going to use the activity view controller, which lets the user do a variety of things. And one of the things it allows them to do is to save the wallpaper. And that's about as close as we'll be able to get. So the only item we will be presenting is the image and no application activities. And we'll just present that normally. Okay, great. Let's run this. Alright, now let's try out the save button. And great, it's brought up the familiar activity sheet, and the user can save image to add it to their photo album. And from now on the user can add it to their wallpapers as they would normally. Great. Now one thing you might have noticed is that when you tap on one of these items, the transition doesn't look quite right. The current view controller moves left a little bit and nothing comes in from the right, and then after a while the image pops up. Like so. To fix that, the problem is that this root view controller doesn't draw anything until an image is actually set because it's a normal image view. So we'll have to give it a background color. And let's also give it an activity spinner. So the user can know that it's loading. So we'll make it a gray activity indicator. We'll add it to the image view. In the view did layout, subviews, we will lay out the indicator. And we'll put it in the middle. Now when the image is being loaded, we'll start animating, and once it finishes, we will stop animating. So what we've done here, we've added an indicator. It's a subview of the root image view, which is the root view control, root view of this view controller. Now, when the root view was only the image view, we didn't need to worry about layout because the root view gets handled by the container view controller, i.e. the navigation controller. However, since we've now got a subview, we need to lay it out, which we can do in the viewDid layout subviews. This way, it automatically handles rotation. And we start it animating when we do the load and stop it when the load is complete. Let's see how this looks. There we go, we've got the spinner. That works beautifully. Great, thanks for watching.